Okay, so we are in one of my favorite properties, Mandalay Bay. And, you know, it comes up time and time again, where are ride shares and where are taxis, right? We got a whole series on that. So I'm going to show you guys where the taxis are. Now, we are right off the lobby area right now, and the taxis, it's pretty simple to get the taxis here. Let me flip this around. So the taxis are basically right outside the door here. Now, Mandalay Bay, far south end of the strip. A lot of people don't want to walk all the way up to the Bellagio or Cosmo or, you know, take that long walk. Now, this is the line for the taxis. Now, it's a pretty decent line. Like I said, that is right off the main lobby area. Now, let's go find out where the ride shares are. The ride shares are in a totally different place. So you don't want to make the mistake of coming out to where the taxis are to try to get your ride share. So let's go back inside and I'll take you for a walk to the rideshare area. Now, you've seen in some of our other videos, other properties have the rideshare and taxis pretty close to each other. This is going to be at least a 10-minute mistake if you came out here and tried to grab a rideshare at the taxi stand. So we're going to walk back in and we're going to have to go through the casino to get to the rideshare area. Now, what you're going to want to look for is signs to the self-parking garage, okay? Now, I'm going to show you probably the easiest way. Like I said, head through the casino. You look up over the overhead signs here. Just if you see where it says self-park, just follow that arrow. Now, remember, if you order a ride share and you're not at the pickup spot, they're only going to wait about 5 minutes. Now, what happened with my son the other day is he ordered a ride share. They went to the wrong pickup location, so he missed his Uber. And the next one he ordered, they only gave him 2 minutes of wait time. So I don't know if that's something that is something that's new. So if you know about that, let us know in the comments. So there is, let's see, Rhythm and Riffs, which is a nice little bar over here on your way to the rideshare. So if you got some time and want to stop and grab a drink, that's an awesome spot. They do have live music there also a lot of nights. So if you're looking for a good spot for some live music, that's a good spot to go. Now we're just going to keep going past here down towards Swingers Crazy Golf Club, self-parking, rideshare. You're going to just follow the signs down there. So now we're out of the casino area. There's actually a really good coffee spot over here also called Citizens. It is right to the left. Now, if you make a left here, this is going to take you all the way down to the convention area and the Shark Reef. It's going to take you way out of your way. So just continue to go straight when you get to this point. Now, here is Swingers Crazy Golf. Now, Swingers recently just opened up to allow children in here. I'm not sure the exact time. We do have a video, a little short on our page that tells you what time children are allowed on in Swingers. I think it's till 5 o'clock. Let me ask, what time are kids allowed in here till?
So usually it's 12 to 6, but we're switching it to 12 to 9.
12 to 9? Cool, thank you. So it's normally 12 to 6, but she just told us that they are switching it 12 to 9. So I don't know when, she didn't say, but soon you'll be able to bring your kids there until 9 o'clock at night. I always thought that was like a funny thing. Like, where are you taking the kids? We're taking them to the swingers. Yeah. So this is the rideshare area now. So we are out in the parking garage, and you see when you come out here, you're going to make a left. Now, there's some taxis out here also, but not a whole lot. And the reason for that is right over there to the right, but we're going to get to that in a moment. So let's go over here. This is the Uber rideshare area. They got a nice little sit-down area, pickup zone, indoor seating. It's going to tell you what zone to go to, and then you're going to walk out there to those islands. So you can see it's pretty packed here tonight. So now what I was saying about over on the right-hand side here. Now, you guys know the W is attached. Well, is it attached technically to Mandalay? The W is right over here. So this is the rideshare area and taxi area for W. So you're getting two videos in one here, right? We got taxis and limos over here. And I guess, you know what, according to the sign here, the Uber and rideshare area for W is over at Mandalay, but there is some taxis over this way. So, and this is the entrance over here to W. And this is where you would pick up your valet too. So that is the entrance to W. All right, so there we have it. There is another rideshare taxi video for you guys. Hopefully that'll help you guys get around Vegas a little better. If you enjoy these kinds of walks, this kind of information, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. We go live several times a week, and we post these videos several times a week. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, and you're going to be able to get around Vegas like a pro in no time if you subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.